Cruz just responded to a salacious tabloid report during a news conference in Wisconsin. He's now accusing Trump of planting the story. All of this after the back and forth attacks over their wives. Take a listen.
The next day, the National Enquirer published a story. It is a story that quoted one source on the record, Roger Stone, Donald Trump's chief political advisor. Let me be clear, this National Enquirer story is garbage. It is complete and utter lies. It is a tabloid smear. And it is a smear that has come from Donald Trump and his henchmen. It is attacking my family. And what is striking is Donald's henchman, Roger Stone, had for months been foreshadowing that this attack was coming.
This was just a remarkable press conference that Senator Ted Cruz just had, very hastily arranged, I should say, from the Cruz campaign, arranged at the last moment. And what was really remarkable is it was very clear that Senator Cruz wanted to address this himself, these tabloid stories. He came out to the podium, an aide placed a small sheet of paper at the podium of some prepared remarks, something I just haven't seen the Cruz campaign do before. And when Senator Cruz transitioned to talking about this tabloid stories and these allegations, he looked down at that piece of paper, clearly wanting to get the language right here when he was connecting Donald Trump to these tabloid allegations. And it was interesting. Going forward, I asked Senator Cruz time after time again, really tried to pin him down on this, if he would, given that he's called Donald Trump a rat, someone that he has now nicknamed Sleazy Donald Trump, if he would definitively say today yes or no whether he would support Donald Trump as a nominee if he becomes a nominee going forward. And Senator Cruz would not definitively say, but he kind of inched closer to basically saying no. He says, I do not make it a habit of supporting people who attack my wife.